All right, so the next step is, like I said, before we can go and create the fact table, we need to update this. So let's go and see. We have this table here, but we have the shipping key, the customer key, and the product key. We uploaded the data null because we didn't have any values. But when we created this table here, and the key was auto incremented by the system, the customer key. Now we had to actually update the stage table with this new data. So when we upload the data to the sales fact, it will actually, we will be able to upload all the keys, all the foreign keys here, even though they're not foreign keys yet. Okay, so let's go look at this. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to use this query. So we're going to update the stage table. We're going to set the customer key in the customer table equal to the customer key to the stage table. We're going to inner join with the customer table, and we're going to use the source ID because it has a common denominator to map this query. So the number, for example, this is number one, is going to match number one. All right, so let's go run this one. We updated that one. Let's go update now the product. So we need to update three of them. And the last one is shipping. So we updated the three of them. Let me post this in. I'll I'll have this available so you guys can check your syntax. All right. So do I need to save it? No. All right. So I'm going to refresh here. Open the table. And if I go to my stage table now, let's go look at the stage table. Now you can see that all the data is on my stage table. Now I can use this stage table to ETL, to extract it from and load to the last table, the fact table. So let's go close this up and let's go to the next video.